dito sa DXN Calamba, Laguna at sa buong South Luzon.
Grabe! Ngayon pa lang ramdam na ramdam ko na excitement dito sa Paseo 1 de Calamba here in Laguna!
To do now, I'm all about it. I'm all about it. Jukebox in the corner, taking me for a ride. Into the motion, we're exploding out of trouble inside. You wanna roll with me? We're gonna feel the beat. Show 'em how to do that thing. You know what to do now. Tonight the stars are out, so let's paint the town.
It is so beautiful to hear. This was the hard work for last 30 years, and what I am going to speak is for the next 30 years. It is very important for us to understand the youth are now, they are going to build the effort. People always say the youth is the next generation, right? Wrong. The youth is now. It is right now that we need to make the change.
Salamat din pala sa DXN Philippines sa pangunguna ni Mr. Raquez. Di bago yan, alamin muna natin kung anong opportunity meron sa atin sa ngayon, lahat ng dumalo rito. Sa kabila nung masungit na panahon, bumabagyo, bumabaha, nandito pa rin kayo lahat. Matutunghayan nyo kung paano aasenso dito sa DXN.
Pero bakit nga ba maganda ang DXN para sa atin ngayon? Para sa akin kasi, ang DXN, hindi lang ito training ground para sa atin. Hindi lang ito isang negosyo para sa atin, kundi para itong isang training ground para sa ating leadership, confidence, at character.